Did you find toys?
Hi everybody! Today we're at the farm and we are learning about numbers, animals, and animal sounds. Have fun! Hi everyone! Welcome to Fizzy Fun Toys. Today we're learning numbers, animals, and animal sounds. Let's look at our red barn. This barn has the number 1. There was a barn under it. This barn has the number 2. And look what was underneath. It's a barn with the number 3. We now have a barn with the number 4. This small barn has the number 5. And this very small barn has the number 6. And that is the last barn. Barn number 1. Let's see your animal. The animal in barn number 1 is a horse. What does a horse say? Neigh, neigh. What kind of animal is in barn number 2? Barn number 2 has a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo, moo. What kind of animal is in barn number 3? Barn number 3 has a goat. What kind of sound does a goat make? Meh, meh. What kind of animal is in barn number 4? Barn number 4 has a pig. What kind of sound does a pig make? Oink, oink. What kind of animal is in barn number 5? Barn number 5 has a sheep. What kind of sound does a sheep make? Baa, baa. What kind of animal is in barn number 6? Barn number 6 has a rooster. What kind of sound does a rooster make? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Uh-oh! Our animals got out of their barns. Can we match the animals with the number on their barn? What number is on the cow? Number 2. Can we put it in the number 2 barn? Number 2. It's the number 3. Can we find the number 3 barn? There it is right there. What number is on the pig? It's number 4. Can we find the number 4 barn? Here it is right here. What number is on the horse? It's the number 1. Can we find the number 1 barn? Here it is right here. What number is on the rooster? It's the number 6. Can we find the number 6 barn? Here it is right here. What number is on our sheep? It's the number 5. Can we find the number 5 barn? Here it is right here. Okay, animals, it's time to go into your barns. Good night, animals. Sleep tight. See you next time.
Did you find toys?
Hi, everybody. Today we're at the farm and we are learning about numbers, animals, and animal sounds. Have fun. Hi, everyone. Welcome to Fizzy Fun Toys. Today we're learning numbers, animals, and animal sounds. Let's look at our red barn. This barn has the number 1. There was a barn under it. This barn has the number 2. And look what was underneath. It's a barn with the number 3. We now have a barn with the number 4. This small barn has the number 5. And this very small barn has the number 6. And that is the last barn. Barn number 1. Let's see your animal. The animal in barn number 1 is a horse. What does a horse say? Neigh, neigh. What kind of animal is in barn number 2? Barn number 2 has a cow.